Hello everyone, I have been asked to show my YouTube studio, for example, which equipment and application I'm using for creating my videos. So today I'm going to show you guys which equipment and application I'm using. So let's have a tour in my small but well equipped YouTube studio. Okay, as you can see, that is my small YouTube studio. So let's see which equipment I got here. Okay, so first of all, I'm using the Neewer 18-inch ring light. Underneath, I have also here my main camera. That is a Canon M50. Okay, so let's start from the monitors. These two monitors are LG 27-inch gaming monitors, so I'm using that for gaming and also, as you can see, for editing and all the stuff. Over here, I got the Stream Deck, which I'm using for streaming on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and so forth, and also using for some shortcuts. The wireless charger. So here we have the MacBook Pro. When I'm using the MacBook Pro, if I'm making any video on my iPhone, I'm just transferring file directly from iPhone, dropping it to MacBook, and I'm editing it and then uploading it. And here we have the Lenovo Legion 5 gaming laptop. I am using this laptop also very often for editing, for gaming, for surfing, so whatever. That is the main laptop which I'm using. Okay, next to it is my second tripod. That is the Neewer tripod monopod, which I'm using also when I'm going to outdoor. So I'm using this tripod. Okay, over here we have Comica Boom X D2. That is the wireless microphones. It's amazing when you're using that one outside. Use it for outside with 2%. It is amazing. Got amazing quality. But that's not the only microphone that I'm using outside. I got also here. Here we have done the Comica V3 Pro, which I'm using this one in combination with my Canon M50 to just place this one on top and got some nice quality. Okay, so what we got over here, that is the Gooseneck phone holder. I am using that one when I'm making some tutorials from the top, so you just place it and then from the top you can just film it like that. Alright, so let's come to the software part. For thumbnails, as you can see, I'm using Canva Pro. That is, you can make there a lot of things, not only thumbnails but also shorts. I'm using Canva also for creating shorts. Coming back for video editing. I'm using DaVinci Resolve on both laptops, also on the Mac and on Lenovo, but I'm also using from time to time also iMovie for creating for editing fast videos. Okay, for creating videos, I am using my iPhone 12 Pro Max and Canon M50. I will be placing the link of some of those. And before we end up, if you are interested to buy some merchandise of my channel's merchandise like this t-shirt, please visit the description below. Thank you.